In front of me is an ALCATEL 3T10, and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this tablet. So to get started, just simply pull down your notifications, extend the list, and you'll find Screen Recorder toggle right over here. You can just tap on it. Now, first time around, it will ask you for permissions like Screen Recorder. So make calls, access to the media and files so you can save somewhere, to audio just so it can actually record the device audio and microphone if you choose to. And from there, it starts a countdown from 3 and then records. Once you're done recording, you can just click on this. It will automatically stop it and save it into your gallery. So I'm gonna quickly try to find photos. There we go. And you can see it pops up right in the most recent photos, but you should also find it in library, and it will create either camera or like screen recording folder. Let's see. So yeah, it looks like it's under camera, which is kind of yikes. It won't really help you find the screen recordings later on when you just create, like, for instance, normal camera recordings and screen recordings. It will be jumbled up in there. But just quickly going into it, you can kind of see it right here, just to kind of play it back. Now, one thing to keep in mind, the resolution right here is absolutely abysmal. You can already see that it is pixelated. So it's not as clean and crisp as it is just looking at the device normally. And I can also, oh, there we go. I can also see if there is any kind of settings. So let's hold it. Nothing happens. So there is no settings. So this is set to default, and default is the only thing you will get. So if you don't like the pixelation and kind of low quality, then I might suggest you could try some kind of application from Play Store that does the same thing, but it just isn't built in. Those applications will give you more versatility and additional options, which you do not have with the actual built-in one right here. But anyway, with this being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.